Welcome friends. As we work with more and more files in Photoshop or create more and more images, it will be very difficult to view all those images and organize them using the operating system. Well, Adobe Photoshop comes with Bridge that will make this tedious task very easy. Go to File, and from here we can go to Browse in Bridge. Click on that. It will open up Adobe Bridge, and here it is. Adobe Bridge comes with any Adobe application, so that you will be very familiar with the interface. And if you are not, nothing to worry. We will go through it. Now here, as you can see, we have a pane which says Favorites. This will show all the favorites from your computer. There is another tab called Folders. Let's go there, and it will show all the folders in your hard drive. And if you click on any folder, like I have clicked on this sample pictures from the lessons, it will show all the content inside that folder in the Content tab. If you click on any of these pictures, it will show you the preview of that file, as we can see here, and all the information about that picture in the Metadata tab. The name of the file, the type of the file, application, and so on. If you want to open this file in Photoshop, you just have to double click. And as you can see, we have opened that file in Photoshop. This way, it is very easy to organize all your photos or images and open it into Photoshop. Now, when you are in Bridge and you want to switch back to Photoshop, using Alt tab may be tedious to you. So there is a shortcut, Boomerang. You click on that and you will be returned to the Photoshop. So this is just a handy tool. Bridge helps you to manipulate and organize all your photos that you want to work with in Adobe Photoshop. We will look at various functionalities of Bridge from the next lesson.